In a world filled with questions, where wisdom knows no boundaries, join us on a journey of enlightenment and endless learning. Eternal Teachings. TV. Discover the eternal.
We humans are drawn to the unknown. It's an intrinsic part of our nature, a curiosity that has driven us to explore the farthest corners of our planet and beyond. We are explorers by nature. From the highest peaks to the deepest oceans, our desire to uncover the mysteries of our world is insatiable. Yet, there's something deeply unsettling about the vastness above us. The infinite expanse of space, with its countless stars and galaxies, can evoke a profound sense of insignificance. This fear, known as astrophobia or cosmophobia, is more common than one might think. It's a fear that can grip anyone, regardless of their knowledge or experience. It's a fear not just of the dark, but of the sheer scale and power of the universe itself. The vastness of space can make us feel incredibly small and vulnerable. The endless expanse, the unimaginable distances, the unknown dangers, all contribute to a sense of awe and terror. The cosmos is a place of extremes, where the rules of our everyday world no longer apply. This fear is not entirely irrational. The dangers of space are very real and very present. Space is an incredibly hostile environment. It's a place where the slightest mistake can have catastrophic consequences. It's a vacuum with extreme temperatures, deadly radiation, and very little chance of rescue. The challenges of surviving in space are immense and unforgiving. Our instincts, honed over millennia on the plains of Africa, are ill-equipped to deal with the realities of the cosmos. We are creatures of Earth, adapted to its environment and its challenges. But fear, as we often learn, can be a powerful motivator. It can push us to prepare, to innovate, and to overcome the obstacles that stand in our way. It can drive us to seek understanding, to unravel the mysteries that lie beyond our world. The pursuit of knowledge is a journey that requires courage and determination. And in the case of space, the more we learn, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. Each new discovery opens up even more questions, fueling our desire to explore further and deeper into the cosmos. One of the most daunting aspects of space is its sheer size. It's a realm so vast that it defies our everyday understanding and stretches the limits of our imagination. Our planet, for all its vastness, is but a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. When viewed from the moon, Earth appears as a small, fragile blue dot suspended in the infinite blackness. To put it into perspective, imagine shrinking the Earth down to the size of a pea. This tiny representation helps us grasp just how minuscule our home is in the cosmic arena. On this scale, the sun would be the size of a beach ball, located about 30 meters away. This distance, though seemingly small, underscores the vastness of space even within our own solar system. Now imagine traveling at the speed of light, the fastest speed possible, to the edge of our solar system. Light speed, a concept often explored in science fiction, is a staggering 299,792 kilometers per second. This journey would take you about a day and a half. In that short span, you would traverse the vast distances that separate the planets and other celestial bodies within our solar system. But even at this incredible speed, reaching the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, would take over 4 years. This star, though relatively close in astronomical terms, is still light years away, and that's just our closest neighbor. Proxima Centauri is part of the Alpha Centauri star system, which is the closest star system to our own. The Milky Way, our galaxy, contains hundreds of billions of stars, spread across a distance of 100,000 light-years. Each star could potentially host its own system of planets, moons, and other celestial objects. And beyond our galaxy lie billions upon billions of other galaxies, each containing their own vast collections of stars and planets. The universe is a tapestry of countless galaxies, each a universe unto itself. The scale is truly mind-boggling. When we zoom out to view the cosmos, we begin to understand just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. The universe is a vast, mysterious expanse that continues to inspire awe and wonder. While the vastness of space is daunting, the environments we encounter on other planets can be equally terrifying. Take Jupiter, for example, a gas giant with a swirling storm larger than Earth that has raged for centuries. Its atmosphere is a toxic mix of ammonia and methane, and its gravitational pull is so strong that it could crush a spacecraft like a tin can. Then there are exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. Many of these worlds are incredibly hostile, with scorching temperatures, crushing pressures, or atmospheres composed of poisonous gases. Some are tidally locked, with one side perpetually facing their star, resulting in extreme temperature differences. Others are rogue planets, drifting through the galaxy without a star to call their own, shrouded in perpetual darkness. These alien landscapes are a stark reminder that Earth is a rare and precious haven in the vastness of space. Section 4. Stellar Fury, the Power of Stars and Beyond. In this chapter, we delve into the incredible forces that govern the cosmos, starting with the stars themselves. Stars, the building blocks of galaxies, are sources of immense energy and power. They are born in vast clouds of gas and dust, igniting nuclear fusion in their cores. Our own Sun, a relatively average star, constantly bombards us with radiation and charged particles. This solar activity influences everything from our climate to our technology. While our atmosphere protects us from the worst of it, solar flares and coronal mass ejections can disrupt our technology and pose a threat to astronauts. These solar storms can interfere with satellites, power grids, and even communication systems. But the Sun is a gentle giant compared to some of its stellar counterparts. There are stars out there that are much larger, hotter, and more volatile. Supernovae, the explosive deaths of massive stars, release more energy in a few seconds than our Sun will emit in its entire lifetime. These cataclysmic events can outshine entire galaxies and are responsible for creating many of the heavy elements in the universe. These cataclysmic events can outshine entire galaxies and leave behind neutron stars, incredibly dense remnants that spin thousands of times per second. Neutron stars are so dense that a sugar cube-sized amount of their material would weigh as much as a mountain. And then there are black holes, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. These enigmatic objects are formed from the remnants of massive stars that have collapsed under their own gravity. These cosmic monsters lurk at the centers of galaxies, warping space-time and devouring anything that ventures too close. The immense gravitational pull of black holes can tear apart entire stars and consume vast amounts of matter. The sheer power of these objects is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. They remind us of the incredible forces at play in the universe and our small place within it. From the life-giving energy of our Sun to the destructive power of supernovae and black holes, the cosmos is a realm of extremes. Section 5. The Void's Embrace, Emptiness and Cosmic Silence. While the celestial objects in space inspire awe and fear, the emptiness between them can be equally unsettling. Intergalactic space is almost a perfect vacuum, devoid of air, sound, and even the faintest glimmer of light from distant stars. It's a realm of absolute silence and profound isolation. Within these voids lie cosmic structures known as supervoids. These are vast regions of space, billions of light years across, that contain far fewer galaxies than the surrounding universe. The sheer scale of these voids, their emptiness stretching farther than we can comprehend, can evoke a sense of profound insignificance and loneliness. This cosmic silence, this absence of familiar sensory input, can be deeply unsettling to the human psyche. It's a stark reminder of our isolation in the universe. a confrontation with the ultimate void. Section 6. An expanding universe, the ever-receding horizon. As if the vastness and emptiness of space weren't enough, the universe is also constantly expanding. This means that galaxies are moving away from each other at an accelerating rate, like dots on a balloon being inflated. This expansion has profound implications. It means that the farther away a galaxy is from us, the faster it is receding. Eventually, there will come a time when galaxies will be so distant that their light will never reach us. They will effectively disappear from our view, lost to the ever-expanding cosmos. This concept of an ever-receding horizon can be a source of anxiety. It suggests a universe that is constantly slipping away from us, a cosmic tapestry where even the most distant objects are destined to become eternally unreachable. It's a reminder of the transient nature of existence, of the ultimate futility of trying to grasp the infinite.